digital multimeter UT71E. This is the last one of the intelligent multimeters. This is the E, and this is one of the best promotions that I think of the year, because for the European countries each of these will come free with this, that is a full power adapter for 220 volts to recharge, and your power surge also comes here with this package. So we're going to see here in this UT71E that it has the full measurement for voltage, resistance, watts, continuancy, temperature, amps in this device. So you are going to have all that here. First we are going to go to the voltage. So we're going to turn on this, and here we're in the first function. Then we are going to go to the millivoltage measurement. Resistance measurement, power measurement, VA or watts, capacitance measurement, then we have temperature measurement. Now you can put in Fahrenheit or centigrade, whatever the units you need, then you can put it in the system. Current is the last measurements we are going to have here. In amps, in milliamps, or in microamps. So we have here all what this UT71E can measure. You have here also your storage button. You can do the range, and you can do your maximums and minimums. You can recall measurements with your store button. As we already said, you can range it, and you can also set max and minimums. You will have your all here, your ins and coms. And this is a product made with Cat 4, Cat 3 and CE certifications. Here we have the backlight also function, your backlight function, and I pass it fast to all the measurement. So this is your 71E, and it's going to be free with this power adapter for 220 volts only. So this only goes to Europe and to Korea and to the countries that use 220 volts.